My mother essay in English. 1. My mother is an important member of the family. 2. My mother is a noble lady. 3. She is a religious lady and a good teacher. She is very hardworking lady. 5. She helps in our studies. 6. She always speak politely. 7. She is a good advisor and planner. 8. She cooks for us and keeps the house clean. 9. I am proud of my mother. My mother is a advanced woman. Please subscribe my channel and comment me.